Okay, start putting them in there. I'll get the water table all filled up, okay? Alright, who came next? All came out here. And we're gonna take a nice bath, monster truck bath, and a water table. Good job, breastplane.
Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of The Jackson Show. Today, Mom and Jackson and Georgia are going to play in the mud with monster trucks. We had some monster trucks that escaped to go outside and play in the mud, and Jackson and Georgia and Mama had to find them and help clean them up. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell so you don't miss any of our future episodes. Thanks for coming back, friends. We hope you have a fun day with us today.
Hey, Jackson and Georgia, will you be quiet and come out here and help me? Come help me with something. Shh, be quiet. Emmett's sleeping. Come help me. Okay, come on out, bud. Okay, hold on, let's get this. Wait for Georgia. You gonna wear your boots? Okay.
Whoa. Nice try. That's fine. Getting our boots on?
Yeah.
That rooster is noisy.
Big rooster noisy.
Yeah, big rooster is noisy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So close.
I got it.
Good. All right, go back over there with Bubba, and then I'm gonna tell you what was going on. Okay. Now guess what? I was out here cleaning up your toys and getting some stuff ready for the week. And guess what I saw?
What?
I saw some little tracks over here on the concrete. You want to come check them out?
Yeah.
Come here.
What are they?
Let me show you what I found. I found all these little tracks. What are those? What kind of tracks are these?
Mud truck.
Mud tracks? Look at that. It's mud. What does that look like? What does that look like? Look, more mud tracks are starting to dry up. And they go out here. There's lots of them. What do you think they are? Look for the tracks.
Ah,
There's more right there, yeah. What kind of tracks are those?
mud truck.
Mud trucks? What kind of truck makes those tracks? Our trucks? Wait, where do you think they got all that mud? Where do you think they got mud to make tracks out here? Look, there's lots of mud.
On the concrete.
On the concrete.
Yeah. Where did they do?
Where did they do that?
Did they drive in the mud?
Wait, what is this? What is this? Wait, who is this? What is that?
A monster.
A monster truck, and he's all muddy. Do you think he made those tracks?
Yeah.
What in the heck? Who is that?
Police.
Police? I thought he was up in your room.
Right.
Do you think he came down here to play in the mud?
Yeah.
Do you think other monster trucks came down here?
Yeah. Can I see what's on?
What in the heck? Do you think we should try to find him?
Wow.
Oh no! Is that Gog? He went to play in the mud?
Yeah.
Do you think we should see which monster trucks are in there and get them out and wash them?
Let's see if Lily around.
Okay, start digging around in there and see if you can find monster trucks.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna do it with my hand.
This is crazy.
Earth shaker.
Earth shaker. Okay, what should we put them in? Maybe that bucket right over there?
And then we can fill water up.
Okay, and maybe clean them up. You can get in there if you want. You got your mud boots on.
Yeah, these are.
Oh my gosh. All right, if you find one, tell me who's in there.
Look.
Who is it? Let's see it.
Mud.
Who is it?
Monster mud.
Oh my gosh, Monster Mutt's playing in the mud?
Let's see who this is.
Who is it?
Test subject.
Who? Show me.
What? Test subject.
Test subject. Oh my gosh. Georgia, can you find any monster trucks in here?
Oh, yeah.
Did you find one?
Oh, no.
Wait, show me. Show who it is.
It was
Oh my gosh, look at all these monster trucks in here. They are so muddy. That's Metal Militia.
Gunslinger!
Gunslinger. Oh, he is so muddy. Who's next? Look at how muddy it is. Georgia, can you find any?
Oh!
Who is that?
32 degrees!
32 degrees.
I'm stuck!
That's okay. Oh my gosh. That's okay. We'll wash them off. Who did you find?
Dragon!
Dragon. Georgia, you want me to help you find one? Wait, what is that? Is that a tire sticking out of the mud right there?
Yeah.
Wait, what about right there? What is that? Is this a tire? Oh, wait. Oh, who is it?
Oh, look, this is Georgia's new monster truck.
Who is it? The hot rod? And Georgia found Yellow Bull? Oh my gosh, look at these dirty monster trucks.
This is an
NEA police. And who's that?
Oh,
Orange Bull?
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I see a tire.
The tire? Whoa. Who is that?
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman. Oh my gosh. They are so muddy. How did they get in here? What in the heck?
Did you?
I didn't put them in here. I just saw these tracks out here. Wait, is that? I see 2 tires right there. Who is it?
Superman.
Superman! Oh my gosh. Do you see another tire? No, do you need to get the shovel and start digging around? Okay, start digging around. Yeah?
I bet I'll have to get the other one.
Okay.
I think my metal one might break.
Okay, start digging around, Georgia. Let's see.
One might break them. Mom, my metal one might break
It might. Okay. Good thinking.
because it has a sharp end on it.
You don't want to break any of your monster trucks. Okay, start doing some digging and let's see if we find any more. Who is it? Show me.
Look, this
I think it's all beefed up, but he's all muddy. Oh my gosh, that is a big bucket full of monster trucks. Muddy, muddy monster trucks. All right, start digging and tell me if you find any.
There's Gog.
Gog! He's already muddy. Super muddy.
Oh,
Oh, did you find one? Who is it? Show me. Who is that?
is Hooligan.
Hooligan?
Could you just take?
Should we get Gog out of there?
Yeah.
Gog's kind of taking over the whole bucket. Oh my gosh, he is muddy. All right. Start feeling around. Oh, I see something. What is that? What is that? That rooster is noisy.
Zombie.
Zombie. How can you tell
Look it.
he's covered in mud? We're going to have to clean these guys off. Look at that rooster. This guy's noisy.
This one.
Hey, rooster. He wants to play. Oh, did that break off, Georgia? We'll tape it.
Yeah.
No problem. Let's look for the rest of our monster trucks first. Should we go count how many? Because I think I saw 20 tracks. All right, this is good right here in the shade. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Uh-oh. 17. Let's see how many more we need. 18, 19, 20. So we need, how many fingers do I have?
we need 2 more.
3 more. 1, 2, 3. We need to find 3 more monster trucks in the mud. You see a tire? Show me who it is. Can you even tell? Scorcher. All right, put him in the bucket. That's one. I don't feel anything right here. Whoa, what, Georgia? What is that? Wait, let's let Georgia find one. Who is that, Georgia? Is that Iron Man? Are you gonna go put it in the bucket over there?
Yeah.
Okay. There's one more in here somewhere. Wait a second. Wait a sec. Oh, wait, what's that? Who is that? Avenger! Alright, that's all of them. That's 20. I saw 20 tracks and we got 20 monster trucks.
Mom,
Alright.
can we do it again?
Well, we gotta go wash these off and see who we have. Alright, bring the bucket over.
And then we can
Georgia.
do it again.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
Alright, let's line them all up and then we'll give them a bath and see who's in there.
First,
What do you think?
We wash our hands.
Yeah, good idea. Well, let's line them up actually first because we'll touch them when they're muddy with our muddy hands. Can you line them all up for us, please, bud?
Can you wash my hands? Yeah. Thank you. And then could I wash?
Very polite. Start lining them up, bud, and then we'll wash them off, okay?
I want to wash them.
Line them up.
Where would Livia be?
I don't know. I guess he didn't come out to play today. Maybe he'll come next time.
Why did he not come to?
I don't know, but this is who's out here. So let's line them up.
But he's pretty sad because
He probably is sad, huh?
Tessa get left.
Yeah. That's okay. He'll see him again tonight, right? Because they sleep in the same place. All right,
Yeah.
let's line the rest of these up, guys. And then we'll spray him off, and Jackson will be the one. Look at him. He is so muddy, Iron Man. Oh my gosh. They're so dirty. Dirty. Avenger is so dirty. Okay, look at him. All this mud down here. We got Wonder Woman, I think. Who is that with all that mud on there? I can't even tell who that is. Turn him over. Who is that?
That is.
I think Superman. Hot Rod.
Should I do the web?
Who's that? Who is that?
That is.
Is that Hooligan?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's that? Who's that, buddy?
Wonder Woman.
And who's that?
Very green.
All right, who came next? Bull came out to play. And I see Dragon. I see Yellow Bull. Who is that? Metal Militia came to play, and NEA Police. Test Subject. Oh, he's getting knocked over by the hose. He might need to get washed again.
Why?
And what's this guy? Monster Mutt?
Yeah.
Oh, Earthshaker fell over. Earthshaker getting a shower right now. He's getting clean. And who's that? Police?
Yeah.
And Gunslinger. And is that all beefed up, Georgia?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, who's this? Scorcher. Iron Man came to play. Avenger.
No.
Superman. Hot Rod. And Zombie.
No.
Georgia, don't spray me. You silly. Hey, you silly. All right, we got the hose. We got Georgia to stop spraying everybody. I think we might have to clean off our lens. She sprayed our camera. I think that's better. Now I can see you. All right, we gave everybody a shower. We've got 20 monster trucks down here. Now, I set up the water table over there, and I thought they might want to go take a little extra bath over there. Can we get our dumper? Go get your dumper, how about, and we'll take them for a ride over to the water table. Okay? Let's go get your dumper. Georgia, do you have the wheelbarrow?
No.
Where's your wheelbarrow?
Open the.
Oh, go get your wheelbarrow, and we'll put some in your wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Nice, start putting them in there. I'll get the water table all filled up, okay? You got it? Nice. They need to go for a ride over here to the water table.
Mom, I think I got the most.
Yeah.
No.
Well, this is good. You guys gave him a good shower, and now we'll go give him a bath. Okay, come on over. Come on over. Must have a kink.
What?
Gotta get the water table filled up. Okay.
Because they're still muddy on them.
They are still muddy. Let's see if we can get some water in here. The water's not coming out. What's going on? How do we get the water to come out? What do you think?
I think the water's off.
Is it off? Let's go see. There must be a problem with the hose. Is there a kink or is it turned off? You go see if it's on. Is there a kink? Well, it's going around the tree. I think the water's on. Let's see. Test the faucet. Is it on?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It feels flaming.
I know. Can I put my hand up here, please?
It really feels flaming.
I think it's on. So we must have a problem with our hose. Let's follow the hose. Look for a kink.
Oh, there's a kink up here.
There is?
Look.
I don't think it's a kink. It's just in a circle.
But where's the kink?
I don't know. I followed the hose. I don't know what the problem is. I'm going to put this camera down for a minute. We're going to check it out. Oh, it just didn't want to come out of that one. Maybe it was clogged with mud. All right, Georgia, can you spray water in there, please? Well, everybody's got mud on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get them filled up. I'm so glad you guys rescued those guys out of the mud pit. Well, I don't think they wanted to stay in there all night, do you?
No.
Look at them all. They're gonna take a nice bath, monster truck bath in the water table. Good job rescuing.
And then do that.
Yeah. Georgia, do you want to go get a towel over there so we can dry them off when they're done? Jackson, will you run and get a towel for us, please?
Yeah.
Over there on the picnic table. Let's see it, Georgia. A line, oh, we'll have to figure that out. But look how muddy this water's getting. I'm sure glad we're giving them a bath.
Right.
Look at that. It's all muddy down there.
And look how I carried it.
I know, you wrapped it around you.
Yeah.
That's very good. All right, let's put it on the ground and then we'll put all the monster trucks on there after we wash them off.
I'm gonna start playing them.
Yeah, but put them in on here so we can dry them off, right?
I'm gonna dump them.
Oh, you're gonna dump them. Great idea. You gonna dump them out of your wheelbarrow, Georgia? Okay. I think you got them all. Swish around in there. Oh my gosh, that water is so muddy.
Now I have the most to work.
Yeah. Well,
1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah. And it doesn't matter who has the most, as long as we're all playing and having fun. All right, dump them. Nice. Oh, that is so muddy still, huh? All right, Georgia, just come bring your monster trucks over. Dump them in. Dump them on the towel. Nice job. All right, Jackson, Georgia, can you start drying them off? Oh, you're doing a little extra rinse? Okay. All right, start drying them off. You're not ready? Can Georgia do one rinse? Okay. Oh, 2. Jackson did 2, so why don't you do 2?
No, I did 3.
Oh, 3. Okay. 1.
Did you see me?
2. 3. Nice. Now, do you guys remember the towel is to dry them off, right? But we're just kind of soaking the towel. That's okay. We're playing. We can do whatever we want when we're just playing. Getting them good and rinsed off.
I'll put them in my dump truck.
All right. Dump them. Go dump them back in the mud. It's the cycle, the mud cycle. We put them in, we clean them off, put them back. You're gonna help? Good. You got the most. I think it doesn't matter who got the most, as long as we're playing and having fun.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice counting.
And
That's good. That's half.
George, you have to see how much you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And 8 is more than 10.
10 is more than 8, actually.
Oh.
Yeah. Gonna go dump them? Oh, they're getting. Oh, that was an accident. Say sorry, Jackson. Sorry, Bubba, that was an accident.
I put Gog in.
You put Gog in. He's already muddy. All right, Jackson's gonna dump them. Let's see it. Oh, here they go. Oh my gosh.
Now we have to bury.
Are you gonna bury them? Okay, there we go. We found them. We cleaned them. We're burying them again. That was awesome. Thanks for playing with us. Did we have fun playing today, guys? Yeah. We like playing in the mud and the dirt and the water and the monster trucks. You gonna go wash off? Did you have fun playing today, bud? Yeah, we like to play. Georgie, did you have fun playing with the monster trucks in the mud?
Yeah.
Did you get yourself a little wet? Yeah. Are you having snack now? Snack time? Yeah. What are you doing, Jack? Oh my gosh, look at this muddy, muddy mess. Luckily these guys are having a bath. Oh my gosh. After they went for their mud bath and then they got rinsed off, they went back in for another mud bath, huh?
Why?
Did you put them back in or did they drive in? You put them back in. Look at that. Monster Mutt, Wonder Woman, Gunslinger, Superman. All beefed up because he looks like a hamburger. Check that out. NEA Police, Metal Militia, Police, Yellow Bull. Let's check out those horns. Yeah. Zombie. Avenger. Earthshaker. Orange Bull. Who's that? Hooligan?
Yeah.
Hooligan, Test Subject, and Hot Rod, and Iron Man. Did you get them all? Oh, I see somebody else. Who is it? See his tires in there. It's all in the muddy water. Who's it? Oh, Dragon. Oh my gosh, there are?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16.
16,
What about this one? 17,
and 20.
oh, and 18, 19, 32 degrees. You made it. There we go. I'm gonna drive over. Here we go. Time to drive over to your line. All right. Oh yeah, wash them up. Let's see him get a shower. Oh yeah, car wash. Getting a car wash. Nice. That probably feels good after being in the mud.
Now let's do it again.
Do it again. You're gonna put them back?
Can you help?
Oh my gosh, are you gonna help put them back, Georgia?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Where are they going? In the dumper?
No.
Okay.
No. You help bury them.
All right. Snack time, bud. What are you having? Strawberries.
There's a chicken.
Gonna give that to the chickens?
Yeah.
Good idea.
Hungry.
Yeah, they are hungry too.
They just started running for it.
Yeah.
They thought it was food.
Yeah, they might eat it. It's food to them. Let's see what Georgia throws it to them. Snack time. We need to take a break from playing. We needed snacks, huh? Oh, you did? All right, come throw it to the chickens. Came to get it. You did. Whoops. Gonna throw it to the chickens.
Now this is chickens.
Only a couple over here, so.
What?
Oh, both of them are going for it. Here comes another.
That one got it.
We have a lot of chickens.
Mom, can you go get
Let's just collect a little pile of them and then we'll throw it to them at the end.
it right here?
Okay? Let me see those strawberries. Good? Yummy. Gotta eat a healthy snack, right? So we can keep playing? Yeah.
They buried all the monster trucks.
I didn't have to bury them. They just drove over there. And they got under the mud themselves. That's what they like to do. Monster trucks like the mud. They just drove over there. Should we check and see if they're hiding again? What? Okay, let's go over to our mud pit. Let's go over to our mud pit and check it out. They are? Oh my gosh, we keep cleaning these monster trucks. And they keep coming back to the mud. Check them out. There's big ones. That looks like higher education. That looks like Max D. This, I think that's Gog. He's already covered in mud. And I see little monster trucks everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at them. Wheels sticking out of the mud. They just keep coming back. Are you guys gonna have to get them out again, Georgia? Oh! You found one! Who is it? Superman! Big strawberry? Good job. Going for more snack? Different shape? Oh.
You see how it goes on that?
I see that. Yeah, why don't you put it in our pile and then you can throw it to the chickens later. Okay? Can you see what? I already ate my strawberry. Did you find a big one? Whoa.
Mom, this sure looks like
It does.
And when it doesn't come off of my hands, I just wipe it on my fork.
Good idea.
My forks are already muddy.
They are. We're going to wash your clothes.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Mud right there.
Is your mouth full? Chew that up.
Thanks, friends, for spending another day with us. We hope you enjoyed Mom and Jackson and Georgia finding the monster trucks in the mud and cleaning them up. We had a lot of fun making this video. Thank you for spending time with us. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell so you don't miss any of our future episodes. Bye, friends. We'll see you next week.